Julie Garcia Martinez. I am a student of degree in foreign language with emphasis on English. Making a list of the teaching methods that the teacher could implement. One would be the motivation to learn a new language. Since this opens with many boards personal opportunities for me, I would also continue the memorization of new vocabulary or roles. I would use digital tools that allow me to reinforce learning either through games, videos, tutorials, podcasts, or songs, listen to music. These resources will help me to delve deeper into the new language. Among the study methods that I would like I put into practice are teacher study, student interaction, and interactivity. I wish I can learn new vocabulary and good pronunciation that had me learn more and more. Thank you.